How to use M&S gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, open up a browser that you prefer and search for M&S. Tap on the official webpage of M&S. So right here, if you are not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your account. Now to use your M&S gift card, you need to search for an item to purchase. Let me go ahead and speed this process for you. Now select the quantity, then just tap on Add to Bag. Scroll down and tap on Checkout or add more items if you want to. Now this is the payment section. Now in here you will see your total in your summary. Then you will see Add a promotion code. In this dialog box, enter your code that is in your gift card. You can scratch off the protective layer of your promotion gift card, which will be at the back, or if it's a virtual one, just paste the promotion code in this dialog box and tap on Apply Code. If the code is valid and correct, you will see substantial discount in your total. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.